Hello, outdoor living space at home. Over the last 18 months, it's become more and more important as our way of life has changed. Just imagine your family as they enjoy, relax and rejuvenate in this backyard. I'm Andrew McKay of Remax by the Bay Brokerage, and we are at 255 Kathleen Crescent in Clearview. Here's how you will enjoy the home. There is all the room any family would need with over 3,400 square feet of living space. A 2-storey, 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home. Spread out on the main floor with a living, a dining and a family room plus modern kitchen. Are you now working from home? The main floor bedroom makes a perfect office. The fully finished basement is fantastic for entertaining. A huge rec room and bonus room with closets if you want a 5th bedroom, plus a full bathroom. With a separate entrance, the potential for an in-law suite is obvious. But what about that outdoor space? Saltwater swimming pool, hot tub, multi-level decks, no neighbours behind with the trails leading to the eco park. Does it get any better? Well, that's 255 Kathleen Crescent in Clearview. If you know anybody that may be interested in this type of home, please do share the video. And if you want more information or to view this new listing, do contact me. Cheers.